This is called Beach Day. Where do you think they are going? To the beach. Exactly. I wrote the words, but the artist is Scott Nash. And why do you think he chose to put red for the background on this page? Because hot, and red usually means hot, exactly. Hot, said Sam. Sunny, said Pam. Sweaty, said Will. Swim, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Swimsuit, said Sam. Sun hat, said Pam. Sunblock, said Will. Sunglasses, said Jill. We're off, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Now, who's ever seen a bicycle built for four? No, that was a little bit of fiction, right? I don't think they exist. Look, said Sam. A park, said Pam. With swings, said Will. And slides, said Jill. Let's play, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. To the beach, said Sam. Which way, said Pam. Left, said Will. Right, said Jill. Lost, sighed Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They pedaled up, they pedaled down. They looked for beach signs all around. They pedaled under, they pedaled over. They pedaled in a field of clover. Picnic, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sandwich, said Sam. Pasta, said Pam. Pickles, said Will. Burp, said Jill. Nap time, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. They slept past 1. They slept past 2. They slept past 3. They slept past 4. Let's go, said Sam. But where, said Pam. Over there, said Will. That hill, said Jill. Push, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sand, said Sam. Water, said Pam. Waves, said Will. Gulls, said Jill. Beach, said Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Do you think the sun is coming up or the sun is going down? Down. No umbrellas, said Sam. No snack bar, said Pam. No chairs, said Will. No people, said Jill. No sun, cried Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill. Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill looked up. Then Sam, Pam, Will, and Jill smiled. And they swam by the light of the moon.